In today's video, I am going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. Canva doesn't have a one-click text wrap like some desktop publishers. But you can still get a clean professional result with a couple of simple workarounds. I'll walk you through two approaches and explain when to use each one, so your layout looks intentional and easy to read. First, the manual text box adjustment, which is the most flexible option for square or irregular images. Start by placing your image on the canvas so you can see exactly how the text should flow around it. Next, add your text using a text box. You'll notice the white pill-shaped handles on the sides of the text box. These control the width. Gently drag those side handles inward to create a narrower text column. Now position that text box beside your image. You are aiming for a tidy margin between the text and the edge of the picture, so it feels balanced rather than cramped. If your image has an irregular outline, break your paragraph into multiple smaller text boxes and stack them vertically. Adjust the width of each box so the lines step in and out, following the contours of the image. This is where small tweaks make a big difference. Nudge boxes with the arrow keys for precise alignment. Keep your line spacing consistent from the toolbar so everything reads smoothly, and zoom in to refine the edges. The goal is to create a natural-looking wrap that guides the eye around the image without creating awkward gaps. For circular images, the curve effect makes text follow a round edge seamlessly. Select your text box, then click Effects in the top toolbar. Under the Shape section, choose Curve. A slider will appear. Drag it to adjust the arc of your text until it hugs the circle nicely. If the curve feels too tight or too loose, fine-tune the slider and reposition the text so it sits comfortably along the edge. You can also adjust letter spacing and font size slightly to improve legibility as the text bends. Take your time here. Subtle changes often produce the most polished result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.